the midst of something strong. This is when strong men need to arise. You need to feel what I'm feeling. You need to enter there. Listen to me. This is when men of prayer are known. We don't pray by physical strength. We pray by a garment. Give ear, O four winds of the earth. The sons of God are here. Let our voice thunder. Let the constellation hear us. Let the stars and the moon stand still in the valley of Ajalon. It is time for heaven to have their victory. Let the warriors of heaven arise. Let the mighty men, let them come to war. Let them beat their plowshares into swords, their pruning hooks into spears. For the time of war has arrived. Put on strength. Give yourself, almighty men of Zion. There is a call, I can hear it. There is a call, a call, a call. The land call it, Nigeria call it, Africa call it. Where is the man? Where is the man? Bulldozer, bulldozer, cry.
Prayer in my belly, seeking for bad ventilations in the spirits. Prayer, prayer, it's a ventilation. When I pray, I ventilate.